The other key character, as far as Deepika's questioning goes, is Karishma Prakash. Her talent manager. She was also in Goa with Deepika Padukone. Now, largely, if you look at the NCB, Karishma was the main platform as far as Deepika's questioning is concerned. Now, after being grilled for over 6 hours on Friday, Karishma Prakash was called in for the questioning again. Karishma has been confronted with Deepika in the drug probe link. Now, Deepika and Karishma cross-examination is underway. They are being jointly grilled in relation to the 2017 drug chats. Now, sources have told India Today that the NCB feels Deepika and Karishma came fully prepared for the interrogation. As per the sources, Karishma sought more time from the NCB for appearance so that she could corroborate her answers with Deepika Padukone. India Today has accessed NCB's list of questions to Karishma Prakash. She will be asked on the mode of payment for the drugs. She will also be questioned on who sold the drugs, if they were couriered to her or she went to collect the contraband. Yesterday, sources told India Today that Karishma confessed to 2017 drug chats, however, remained evasive on the matter of procuring. Now, going across to Munish Pandey, who is joining us live. Munish, acceptance that they were participant of a WhatsApp group is possibly the only first step. Now the challenge for NCB would be not only to prove that there was indeed discussion about drugs, but there was also some procurement and consumption as far as these chats are concerned.
Yeah, well, Ankit, if the NCB has to build a tight case against Deepika Padukone, they need to find the person, first of all, who delivered the drugs and who was the peddler involved in this entire, the drug allegations against Deepika Padukone. Now, as far as the questioning is concerned, the questioning is almost complete, and we have been given to understand is that Deepika Padukone may leave in some time. The questioning is in last phase. The officials who were questioning Deepika Padukone, they have already left this NCB guest house, and where I'm standing, you can see this is the car from which Deepika Padukone arrived. These are the clear visuals, and we are expecting that any moment when Deepika Padukone will leave, we will be the first one to give the visuals to our audience. Now, Deepika Padukone's questioning was important today because NCB wanted to understand about the entire drug chat in which she was talking to Karishma Prakash, the con manager, about drugs. Now, during the questioning, what the NCB sources are telling us that they were not very satisfied with what Deepika Padukone has told them. When she was asked whether she has procured drugs or whether she was consuming drugs, she has not given any satisfactory answer or any answers with clarity saying yes or no. So this is going to be a very challenging task for the Narcotics Control Bureau, because remember, on the basis of electronic evidence, they were able to manage summon Deepika Padukone and question her today. But, to corroborate more evidence, this is going to be certainly a task for NCB.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.